The artist to inspire your artwork for this week is Japanese giant Katsushika Hokusai. Katsushika Hokusai lived between the years 1760 and 1849. He was a painter, book illustrator, and print designer. Hokusai was the first Japanese artist to be internationally recognized and to influence and inspire many artists around the world. His iconic images, especially color wood block prints, are still continuing to influence Eastern and Western arts, from painting, sculpture, and printmaking to anime and emoji. Hokusai was a prolific artist who achieved major success during his life, although he had to face a series of unfortunate events. His beloved wife and the mother of 3 children died when he was 30 years old. Lightning struck him when he was 50. He suffered a stroke, which meant he had to relearn his artistic skill. During the latter part of his life, he was forced to use his life savings to pay off his grandson's gambling debts. He lost his home and had to live in a temple with his daughter, who was also an artist. Finally, his lodging and hundreds of his artworks were burned in the fire. Hokusai's art focuses mainly on nature and the daily lives of ordinary Japanese people. After learning European perspective, he combined it with his traditional perspective and created a revolutionary new way of seeing. What attracted the European painters was his panoramic perspective, flat surfaces, and vibrant colors. To the artists, this was a great approach to turn away from the Academy's classic art that was dominating Western world. Hokusai's painting technique influenced such European giants as Paul Gauguin, Claude Monet, Edgar Degas, Gustave Klimt, James Whistler, Vincent van Gogh, Mary Cassatt, and Alfonso Mocha, to name only a few. Hokusai's most influential image is the great wave that he painted when he was 70 years old. This painting is a hybrid of Japanese and European styles. He designed the picture in a way that Mount Fuji, which is in the middle of the composition and the highest point in Japan, appears tiny by the enormous wave in the foreground. He uses Prussian blue to capture the brightness of the sea with a harmony of contrasts. There is a dynamic movement of the claw-like wave which covers 2/3 of the painting. It is about to crash down onto the 3 fragile boats sailing beneath the wave. Hokusai's last painting, which he finished just before he died at the age of 89, is Dragon Flying Over Mount Fuji. This image combines together the lessons of his long career. He simplifies Mount Fuji as it's flown over by a drifting dragon that is ascending into the heavens. In a way, the painting seems like his self-portrait, as if he is giving his final farewell to the viewer. Hokusai's tombstone bears his final pen name, Gakyurujin, the crazy old painter.